Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel InfoRosan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship program provided by the Tata Group company. And friend, the internship opportunities available for the cyber security analyst. So friend, it has a very great value for this certificate in the your job profile and in your LinkedIn also. And friend, anyone can apply for this virtual internship program, whether you are the working professionals or the going students or the freshers. So friend, we are going to check the all the details, how you will get this certificate and how you have to do the registration process. So please watch the video complete. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the cyber. You can see Forage, who is providing this cyber security virtual internship program. And friend, you can see here 5,700 plus learners has been already enrolled in this virtual internship program and it is absolutely free. So friend, you can see here some of the things are given, like you can complete this program in 3 to 4 hours and it is a self-paced. And friend, it will help to stand out in your application to Tata Group. So let's check the other details. So friend, you can see this internship program provided by the one of the Tata Group company, that is a Tata Consultancy Services. And you can see here at TCS, the cyber security consulting divisions plays a very important role in helping the clients securing their digital landscapes. And friend, during this program, you will learn the various types of skill. You can see here, like evaluating, identifying, and assess management, then design, tailored, identify and assess management, then various types of platforms, and ensure secure access and integration. So these type of things you will learn. And friend, you can see here the certificate. You can see process are given, like you have to first complete the task guided by pre-recorded videos and example, and then you will get the certificate which you can add in your resume and LinkedIn profile. So you can see here the various tasks are given which you have to complete. So you can see task 1, like identify and access management fundamentals. Then you can see IAM strategy assessment. So you can see various things are given, so you have to complete it. So friend, once you complete, then you will get this type of certificate. So how you have to do the registration process, let's check out. So friend, I have given the link in the video description box from where you have to open it, and then you will come to this page. Then you have to click on the start free program. Then you will come to this page. Then you have to create your account. If you are having already a Forage account, then you can directly log in. If not, then you have to click on the sign up with email. Then you have to provide the details like your name, last name, email. You have to create one password. Then you have to select the any one option like school, university, or in working professional. Then you have to click on this register. And friend, once you register, then this virtual internship program will add in your profile from where you can complete it and get this certificate. And friend, you can see on the certificate on the top left corner, you will get the logo of the Tata and Tata Consultancy Services. And also you can see here, your name will be given on the certificate and what types of things you have learned in this virtual internship program. So all these things will be mentioned on this certificate. And friend, at the bottom of the certificate, you will get the verification link. So if anyone want to verify your certificate, they can easily verify. And friend, if you have any question regarding this program, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe InfoRosan.